Let me see if I can show you this here without giving my information. Alright, well, it actually wasn't going to show up next year. It actually showed up relatively quickly. So this is kind of another part of my Christmas gifts, because I already got stuff for the year. Christmas was just yesterday. I also just got this thing today, too. Ooh, let me clean it. I just got this a little bit ago. I still got the papers for it. But I bought another iPhone X in actually pretty decent condition. It's a little nasty and messed up, but it's not bad. $100. Another beautiful iPhone X. I just love these phones. Now I can finally sell this stupid fucking thing. The gold iPhone 8. I mean, I guess it's not stupid, but I don't know. I don't like this one. Yeah, because I'm using my iPhone 12 right now as my actual phone. And I use that one for like YouTube and, yeah, ASMR, stuff like that. Because, yes, I watch that. And I also just got these the other night, too. It actually makes it a lot nicer with the ASMR now, too. All I gotta do is just hook these up to my device. And they work perfectly. Apple AirPods. Yeah, boy. I actually got these off the same seller I got my iPhone 12 from. Yeah, she's a nice lady. And speaking of iPhone 12, I got more goodies for it. They're already on here. You can probably hear the leather creaking on it. On my finger. Yeah. So I got the wallet and the case. Both are on there right now. So these are nice little accessories to have. And they're original OEM, so they're not Chinese knockoffs. Oh my god, dude, seriously, have some manners. Yeah, he's freaking... Oh, sorry if you heard that. That was disgusting. Fucking burping. Yeah, out loud. Like, excuse yourself, man. Oh my god. Alright, well, let me see if I can try to figure out how to open this. There should be 3 items in here. I guess I'm just gonna start hacking into it. Hopefully I don't nick a box. Arigo. Mystery potion ready. Get your reward. Notification. Yeah, that fucking Arigo game. The Blob Eater. I play that. I don't know how to open this. There's not really like a top to the box. It's all around corners everywhere. Well, I guess we'll just start hacking into it from this side. Give me one moment. Yeah, that's real good for my knife. Holy shit. I'm just sawed into that bitch. I do need to... Oh my god, yeah, I need to sharpen that again. I mean, there's no real way to get into it. I don't know how to... Oh, we're getting into it. What's this? Ew, it stinks. I guess it's just a piece of, yeah, I guess it's just some kind of piece of foam. Holy shit, box in a box. Yeah, there should be, yeah, there's... Really? They just box them up in these. They don't have a fancy box like normally. Okay, I get it. Yeah, I guess they just put them inside of these. It feels like they're in there, they're heavy enough. That's nuts. I can't believe they just pack them in those. Alright, well, let's get them open. Oh, I don't even know which ones are which, though. I guess we'll just have to cut into one. Where is... Dude, these boxes, I swear. Okay, we're gonna open it from the bottom then, because there's an open part. Flaps, I mean. I do gotta be careful with this, because I don't actually want to damage what's inside. Oh, looky there. Ah, shit, dude, they give you parts too. I didn't expect that. Fuel tubing. Shame it's not colored though. Yeah, it looks like Traxxas tube. Oh, cool. They even give you a fuel filter. Oh boy. That looks like it's been sitting somewhere for a while though. Holy. Holy. Let me get it open. Let me see if I can try to set this up here so you can kind of see me do it on camera. Or I'll just put you over here. But give me 1 second though. I'm gonna get the rest of them open. So I know how to open them now. I can be a little more aggressive on it now. Just get it open. Off to the next one. I'll inspect the contents in a second. Alright, let's inspect the contents. Yeah, so it does actually kind of suck. These don't come with boxes. Yeah, I'm not keeping them in these. I guess they'll just have to sit on the shelf. Yeah, you can probably see what it is. Actually, it's upside down. I can already see that one through the fin, the paper. It's blue. More fuel tubing. And another 5-year dusty air or fuel filter. Wow. Oh, I actually caught that. Holy shit. Oh my god, I got plenty of fuel tubing. I did not expect them to give extras with this stuff. Yeah, I thought they were going to come in a box like this. I was expecting boxes like this, because they are similar. You will see in a minute. So I got... Okay, yeah, I can see that one already. Another freaking fuel filter with the same amount of like 5 years of dust. I wonder where they kept them that they got that dusty. Wow. Alright, well, now I got plenty of boxes to throw out. I'm actually going to keep that one. That'll be good for garbage. I got plenty of garbage to take out. I'm gonna need it too now that I got a bunch of food. So I'm gonna keep this one. Alright, I know you're excited. Let's go. Let's open these. I'm fucking excited too. Ooh. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm like, I literally am too, dude. I'm like a kid at freaking Christmas. Oh man. I mean, it kind of is for me too. It is Christmas. They're late by a day. Knife, I need you. Mr. McStabby Ferguson. Actually, I don't need you. One bag. Ooh, it's starting to become undressed. Oh my god, that's really nice. Alright, are you ready? Are you ready to see it? Oh my god, it's really nice. Holy shit. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god, that's nice. They give you pull starts too. That's kind of cool. They even give you this little piece too, I just noticed. Oh my god, that's actually really nice. So as you can see, this looks identical to not a Traxxas. What the fuck am I saying? It looks identical to a Dynamite 19 because it is made by SH Engines. So I seen these 3 engines on eBay. These ones were $60, and there's another one I had that was only like 40 something. And I figured I would want to try these, and since I'm going batshit crazy with Dynamite engines right now, or SH, oh, the crankshaft is actually longer, I just noticed. Well, that's not a big deal. And they don't actually give you this, which actually sucks ass. So I'm gonna have to steal them from other engines. Yeah, because the threads are different. I mean, whatever, that's fine. Wow, that is nice too. I like the casting. It's nice and shiny. And like, it almost looks painted, but it's not. It's just aluminum. Wow. Alright, well, let's move on. So I bought this one. Let me get the other one open. Let me move this out of the way. Set it on top of the computer. So this one is a blackhead one, and it's actually a .15. The other one is .18. I'm not sure if there's actually truly a difference or not. I may hold on to these bags. I can maybe keep the engines in them. Yeah, this is like a painted cast head. Oh, you know what? I could paint strip it. Oh man, that low speed needle is stupid lean. These ones have different carburetors too, it looks like. A little bit smaller. Oh, the piston's all the way up. So, yeah. Let's go to the third one. third one is another blue one. So I'm not gonna open this one just yet. I'm gonna leave it. But we got another blue one. So those are Christmas gifts. A little bit late. But yeah. I might buy some more too. I might buy another one of these ones once I get some more money. That's so cool. Yeah, so this one is 0.18 and then this one's 0.15. I am going to do a comparison too to see if they are actually different, but yeah, I gotta go. My dad's getting ready for bed, so I gotta go. See you in the next one.